Hello, welcome to English Listening Journey. Today, we will talk about how to start learning English. English is a useful language for work, travel, and making friends. If you are new to learning English, this video is for you. Let's start. Step 1. Start with simple words and phrases. When you are new to English, start with simple words and phrases. Learn how to say hello, goodbye, thank you, and please. These are words you can use every day. For example, when you meet someone, you can say, "Hello, how are you?" Start practicing these words until you feel comfortable saying them. Flashcards can help you learn vocabulary. Write one word on each card. On one side, write the word in English. On the other side, write the meaning in your language. Practice every day by looking at the English word and saying it aloud. You can also label things around your home. For example, put a label on your table that says table or on your door that says door. Every time you see the label, say the word aloud. This will help you connect the English words to everyday objects. Step 2. Listen and repeat. Listening is very important when learning a new language. You can listen to English songs, podcasts, or videos like this one. Pay attention to how words are pronounced. After listening, repeat the words and sentences you hear. This will help you improve your speaking skills. Try watching English movies or TV shows with subtitles. First, watch with subtitles in your language. Then, try watching with English subtitles. This will help you understand the meaning of words and how they are used in sentences. Watching the same movie or episode more than once can also help you notice new words or phrases each time. Another great idea is to listen to short English stories or dialogues. Pause after each sentence and repeat what you hear. This will help you practice pronunciation and sentence structure. Over time, you will notice that your listening and speaking skills improve. Step 3. Practice speaking every day. The best way to learn English is to use it. Try to speak English every day. You can practice alone by talking to yourself. For example, describe what you are doing. I am cooking dinner. I am washing the dishes. Practicing like this helps you get used to forming sentences. If you have friends who speak English, talk to them. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. You can also join an English club or find a language partner online. There are many apps and websites where you can connect with people who want to practice speaking English. If you don't have anyone to talk to, try reading aloud. Pick a short story or an article and read it out loud. Focus on pronouncing the words clearly. You can also record yourself speaking and listen to it. This will help you hear how you sound and improve your pronunciation. Step 4. Learn grammar step by step. Grammar can be difficult, but you don't need to learn everything at once. Start with basic grammar rules. For example, learn how to use I am, you are, he is, and so on. Practice making simple sentences like I am happy or he is my friend. As you get better, you can learn more complex grammar like past tense and future tense. For example, learn how to say I ate breakfast or I will go to the park. Practice these sentences every day until they feel natural. Use grammar books or apps to guide you. Try writing short sentences or paragraphs in English. For example, write about your day. Today, I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast and went to work. This will help you practice grammar and writing at the same time. Step 5. Build your vocabulary. Every day, try to learn a few new words. For example, learn the names of things around you, like chair, table, phone, or book. You can also learn words for actions, like run, eat, or sleep. Use these words in sentences to help you remember them. Reading is a great way to learn new words. Start with simple books, like children's books or short stories in English. As you read, write down new words and look up their meanings. Try to use these words in your speaking and writing. You can also learn words by theme. For example, learn all the words about food one day: apple, bread, milk, etc. Another day, learn words about places: park, school, library. Grouping words by theme makes them easier to remember. Step 6. Be consistent and patient. Learning English takes time, but if you practice every day, you will improve. Set a small goal, like studying for 15 minutes each day. Small, regular practice is better than studying for hours once a week. Consistency is the key to success. Don't give up if it feels hard. Everyone learns at their own pace. Celebrate your progress, even if it's small. For example, if you learn 10 new words this week, that's a big step forward. Reward yourself for your hard work. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every mistake is a chance to learn and get better. Stay positive and keep practicing. Over time, you will see how much you have improved. Starting to learn English is a big step, but it can be fun and rewarding. Begin with simple words and phrases, listen and repeat, and practice speaking every day. Learn grammar slowly, build your vocabulary, and stay consistent. With time and effort, you will get better and better. What about you? How did you start learning English? Share your story in the comments below. Let's help each other on this journey. Thank you for listening to this guide on starting your English learning journey. I hope it helps you take the first step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey for more tips and stories. See you next time.